Welcome everyone to another video. I'm Shadad from SHADAT'S Day Out. I am back in another camera comparison video. Today video about is Redmi Note 8 Pro and iPhone XR camera comparison. So guys, start the video. Redmi Note 8 Pro quad camera phone. First one 64 megapixel 1.9 aperture 26 mm wide. Second 2 megapixel 2.2 aperture 13 mm ultra wide. Third 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture dedicated macro camera. And fourth 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. On the other hand, iPhone XR single 12 megapixel 1.8 aperture 26 mm wide. Let's move on selfie camera. Redmi Note 8 Pro single 20 megapixel 2.0 aperture and iPhone XR single 7 megapixel 2.2 aperture selfie camera.